Good morning, students. So this is physical education, and the very first unit that we have that is planning in sports. So naturally, the very first question that comes, what is planning? What is planning? If we ask someone, so naturally, what comes in the mind? Planning is the thinking process, the organized foresight, the vision based on fact and experience that is required for intelligent action. To make the program gracefully or a successful program, so naturally we need to have proper vision which is based on fact and intelligent action for the future goals should be taken. So naturally, when we are going for planning, these 5 W's of planning that comes very important. What are these 5 W's? Of course, the very first you see that comes what? You have to ask questions. What is to be done? That means what? It says about the objective of the sports events. Second W is what? That indicates why. Why is to be done? That means why it is important. These sporting events are important. Third, that is where is to be done. Naturally, you have to set the venues. That says about where is to be done. Then when is to be done, this time is very important. When and the duration of these sports activities, that is when is to be done. And who is going to participate. Lastly, who is going to participate in these events. So that becomes very important because the sporting activities, physical activities, these are very vast programs. So many people are involved in these programs. Of course, the outstation teams, they come for participating. We need a lot of officials. We need a lot of technicians. Of course, we need the various people to work in different areas. We, of course, think about the spectators. So naturally, it's a very vast program. Sorry. So these 5 W's that becomes very important in the planning for a sporting event. Now come to the objectives. Objectives of and the very first objective that comes what? To avoid last minute hassle. Sorry. To avoid last minute hassle. That means what? If we go for a vast program, so naturally we have to think and we have to execute one after the other to avoid this last minute hassle. Otherwise, if you want to do at a time, so the mistake that occurs. That is why to avoid last minute hassle. Second, to efficiently supervise all activities. You have to supervise all these activities, whether it is opening ceremony, whether it is closing ceremony, whether it is staying for the team, boarding, lodging, food, every activity should be supervised properly. Next, to coordinate successfully. We must have the coordination of this group, and if we do not coordinate, so naturally the mistake that happens. Next, to avoid mistakes. Of course, this is very clear to you. I have already told you to make room for innovation. When the coaches or the physical education teachers, they sit together, so naturally many new ideas that comes up, innovative ideas. If the ideas are good, that should be accepted and executed. And lastly, to get the best performance out of the participants. So if we can make a program in a very graceful manner, so naturally the players, they can focus players they can focus on their activities, naturally the performance level that goes up. Thank you.